In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Battle.net without using an authenticator. If you're having trouble accessing your Battle.net account or don't have your authenticator handy, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the entire process, providing helpful tips and explanations along the way to ensure that you can log in smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your email address and password handy. These are the basic credentials you'll need to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't panic. You can easily reset it by following the password reset process on the Battle.net website. Once you have your credentials ready, open your internet browser and navigate to the official Battle.net website. You might want to bookmark this page for future reference, especially if you frequently access Battle.net. Once you're on the website's homepage, locate the Login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Type them in carefully to avoid any mistakes that might prevent you from logging in. Now, typically, if you're using an authenticator, you'd be prompted to enter a code. But since we're logging in without the authenticator, you need to choose the option labeled Trouble Logging In. This link is commonly found right below the password entry field. Clicking on this will give you a few options to manage your login issues. The next step is to select I don't have my authenticator. This will guide you to a page where you'll be asked to confirm your identity. Battle.net may ask for additional security info, like answering security questions or confirming details related to your account. Be sure to provide accurate information so that the system can verify your identity. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. If you've completed the identity verification steps successfully, you will either be allowed to log in directly or receive instructions on how to regain access to your account without the authenticator. Keep an eye on your email as sometimes further instructions, including security codes, might be sent there as well. Make sure your email account is secure and you have access to it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to log into Battle.net even without your authenticator. It's important to remember to keep your account information secure and up to date, adding additional security measures if necessary to protect your account in the future. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Battle.net's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great time with your gaming.